Welcome to this video tutorial on how to export your products in OnePatch. To export your products from OnePatch, go to the menu on the left-hand side menu and click Products, then Export Products. Then once this page loads, you can see a drop-down menu that includes all of the integrations that are connected to your OnePatch account and the option to select OnePatch itself. As you can see here, the options are on Buy, EKM, OnePatch, and eBay. Just select OnePatch. Once you have done this, click the button Request, and a task will start running to export all products from OnePatch. Once your export file is ready, it will appear below where it says, Your available products, CSV downloads. Then once the file appears, just download the file, using the download button. And that's it. You have now exported all products from OnePatch. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other video tutorials for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your OnePatch account.